Did you know that danger isn't exclusive to animals? There's a mysterious world where plants are not only visually stunning, but also astonishing in their predatory abilities. Welcome to Know All. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the deadly beauty of carnivorous plants. Get ready to meet the silent masters of hunting, creatures that use their striking appearances to trap their prey. Why do they possess such bizarre traits? And what secrets lie beneath their elegant exteriors? Let's dive in and find out in this video. Typically, plants grow and develop by performing photosynthesis, absorbing water, minerals, and chemicals, then converting them into nutrients and circulating them throughout their bodies. However, unlike their peaceful vegetarian counterparts, carnivorous plants have a unique method of growth and survival. This unique method involves trapping prey, digesting it, and absorbing nutrients from insects. Sounds almost like the natural growth process of an animal, or even a human, doesn't it? Back to carnivorous plants. They often thrive in harsh, nutrient-poor environments like acidic swamps and rocky soils. Since they can't get enough nutrients from water and soil, they've evolved sophisticated predatory mechanisms, turning into master hunters in the natural world. You might not know this, but there are over 600 species of carnivorous plants distributed across the continents, from humid tropical regions to arid deserts. They come in all sizes, from tiny species just a few centimeters tall to giants reaching up to 3 meters in height. This video isn't long enough for Know All to list every carnivorous plant in the world, so we'll only highlight the most impressive and fearsome ones. Stay tuned. The Helianthera pitcher plant. First, let's clarify that pitcher plants are actually a group of species characterized by their pitcher-shaped structure, rather than a single species. They vary widely in size and characteristics, with some even exhibiting their own unique preferences. The first species we'd like to introduce today is Helianthera, often found in South America. This plant is also known as the marsh pitcher plant or sun pitcher. It's a carnivorous plant with leaves that boast a captivating shape, resembling a rose in bloom. Growing on the high mountains of Guyana and Venezuela, the stems of Helianthera can reach lengths of up to 120 centimeters, branching out and giving the appearance of a shrub. Like the Darlingtonia, Helianthera relies on symbiotic bacteria rather than enzymes to digest its prey. Its tubular leaves, with slippery walls and filled with rainwater, serve as traps where prey gets stuck. Unlike other carnivorous plants, it doesn't produce digestive enzymes, but instead allows the nutrients from decomposed prey to be absorbed. It even uses tiny hairs and secretes waxy substances to make it harder for insects to escape. Much like certain animals in harsh environments, such as polar bears, Helianthera undergoes a form of hibernation. During this period, its pitcher-shaped leaves die off and are later revived from underground rhizomes when the hibernation ends. The butterwort plant. Butterwort typically thrives in moist areas across the Americas, Europe, and Northern Asia. Despite its delicate and beautiful appearance, this plant will surely surprise you with its highly sophisticated hunting mechanism. If we were insects, we'd likely have no suspicion when approaching the butterwort. Its trap consists of clear, dewy droplets on its leaves, an alluring sight for wandering insects looking to rest and sip some refreshing water. In reality, these droplets are actually the butterwort's natural mucilage, secreted from specialized glands on the leaf surface. This mucilage is even stickier than beeswax, and powerful enough to immobilize its prey. When the trapped insect struggles, the plant produces even more mucilage to envelop it completely, causing it to suffocate in agony. At this point, the butterwort begins its feast. Although it's a menace to many insects, the butterwort has significant benefits for humans. In some regions of Europe, livestock farmers traditionally use butterwort to curdle milk during the cheese-making process, a little-known but fascinating use of this carnivorous plant. The corpse flower Amorphophallus titanum. Among carnivorous plants, the corpse flower, Amorphophallus titanum, from Indonesia stands out as one of the largest protein-consuming plants in the world, reaching nearly 3 meters in height. It also boasts the strongest and most repulsive odor. Instead of a sweet floral scent, the corpse flower emits a stench reminiscent of rotting meat to lure its prey. Surprisingly, insects like bees, flies, and beetles find this foul odor irresistible, willingly falling into its trap. Here's how it works. When an Amorphophallus titanum blooms, the tip of its flower heats up to a temperature similar to that of the human body. This heat helps vaporize and spread its odor, attracting insects. For these insects, the warmth and smell create an illusion they can't resist. Once an insect lands on the flower, its pollen rains down like a trap, preventing the insect from escaping and causing it to fall to the base of the flower. There, a sticky mucilage quickly envelops the unlucky prey, breaking it down into nutrients for the corpse flower. Despite its fearsome nature, Amorphophallus titanum rarely blooms in the wild. It can take up to 10 years for a cultivated plant to bloom for the first time, and subsequent blooms occur irregularly, often requiring 4 to 5 years. Today, this unique plant faces the threat of extinction, with fewer than 1,000 specimens remaining in the wild. At the San Diego Botanical Garden in the U.S., horticulturists have been hand-pollinating the female flowers at the plant's base, hoping to produce new seeds for future cultivation. The bladderwort plant. Unlike the other 3 species mentioned, which hunt on land, the bladderwort, Utricularia, lurks and hunts in swamps, rivers, and lakes around the world. Dubbed the fastest carnivorous plant in the world, it can capture and consume its prey in less than a millisecond. Experts attribute the bladderwort's incredible speed to its unique structure. Tiny traps are attached to its long, slender stems. These traps, resembling clusters of small bubbles, are found in large numbers along the plant. When ready to attack, the bladderwort pumps water out of its traps, creating a pressure difference between the inside of the bubble-like trap and the surrounding water. Any disturbance, be it a raindrop, a piece of debris, or an unsuspecting insect, triggers a mechanical response. This disturbance converts into a signal within the cells at the base of the hairs lining the trap. With just a light touch lasting a fraction of a second, the trap's lobes snap shut, imprisoning the prey. Although these bubble traps are incredibly small, experts have calculated that their reaction force is 600 times the plant's own weight. Once the prey is trapped, the plant secretes digestive enzymes to dissolve the victim and extract nutrients within hours. After the process is complete, the trap reopens, refills with water, and resets itself. Interestingly, the bladderwort is an exceptionally efficient hunter, capable of capturing up to 1,000 prey items per day. The rainbow plant, Biblis. Another elegant assassin of the wetlands that no all wants to share with you is the rainbow plant, Biblis. This plant earns its rainbow moniker due to its stunningly vibrant leaves and flowers that shimmer under sunlight. Don't mistake Biblis for sundews, Drosera. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice Biblis has bilaterally symmetrical flowers with 5 stamens curving to one side of the pistil. Its delicate purple blooms are another distinctive feature of this captivating plant. The plant's ultimate weapon lies in its slender, pointed leaves with a circular cross-section. The leaf surfaces are covered with fine hairs that exude sticky mucilage at their tips. This mucilage attracts small insects, and once they touch it, they're immediately ensnared. While larger, stronger insects might escape, most prey caught by the rainbow plant suffocate or exhaust themselves trying to break free. Unlike sundews, Biblis cannot move its tentacles to assist in trapping or digesting its prey. Thus, it is categorized as a passive sticky trap plant, alongside Pinguicula, Drosophilum, and Ruridula. The pineapple plant, Burkinia reducta, originating from South America, Burkinia reducta is a carnivorous plant that can adapt to virtually any environmental condition. And did you know? It's related to the pineapple plant we eat. Much like its pineapple relatives, Burkinia reducta features a rosette-shaped body, forming a natural funnel that holds water. But don't let its sweet appearance fool you. This is its secret weapon for hunting. The flower-like shape isn't just for decoration. Scientists believe it acts as a lantern to attract insects. The leaves are coated with a special substance that reflects UV rays from sunlight, creating an irresistible shimmering light that draws in prey. But that's not all. Burkinia reducta employs another tactic. It emits a sweet fragrance, as though inviting insects to a free feast. When insects are lured in and approach the plant, they slip on the smooth, waxy surface of the leaves and fall straight into the funnel. Here, the water not only traps the prey, but it also creates an ideal environment for enzymes and bacteria to break down the insect into a nutrient-rich soup that nourishes the plant. And that is the mysterious world of carnivorous plants, a wonderful testament to nature's endless creativity. Beautiful and strange, paired with danger and death, they inspire both admiration and fear. If you found this video interesting, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting explorations from Noel. What topic would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next videos.